Welcome to the eBookBiz AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use eBook Scanner in eBookBiz. From the left side menu, click on eBook Scanner. You can upload the document. PDF format. Document format. PLR format. Manuscript. You can also do topic analysis. You can enter the topic or niche. Click on Analyze with Scanner. You can see the scanner analysis results. You can scan another document. You can also open it in eBook Creator. You can create an ebook based on that topic. Thanks for watching the video.